Long time no see to the Look Fantastic beauty box. I had cancelled my subscription in December, and now I've resumed it. I'll see how it goes month by month and then decide. For those that came in late, Look Fantastic is a beauty box that ships worldwide. Per box is £15. If you're on a long-term subscription, it is £13 per month. And I have been a subscriber from the time they started the box in 2014. So December till May was the first time from the time the box started that I hadn't been a subscriber. So this is the external box, and let's open that very quickly. I haven't unboxed this yet. First time I'm seeing this box. I have looked up spoilers, but I only have, a vague memory of what was inside. So that is the box itself. And this one is themed, I think it is around the world or something like that. So as you can see, the design reflects the theme. So let's open that. And inside you have, as usual, the product booklet. A little message inside the lid. Travel makes us all storytellers. Spoiler for next month, Elemis Hydra Balance Day Cream. They always give you one spoiler. And here's what this month's box is all about. The Look Fantastic Beauty Box has an incredibly diverse and global community, a community that we wanted to celebrate with Around the World edition. Whether you're planning to journey into the unknown or wish to celebrate the region that you call home, we're celebrating the diversity and scope of beauty. In this month's box, we're introducing you to some of the world's best beauty products and allowing you to discover something that you may not have tried before. Our monthly magazine is exploring the expansive world of beauty, from sharing where our subscribers are based to a new global beauty trend. In this issue, we're helping you to prepare for any trips away with our travel backpacking list. And if you're still undecided on a holiday destination, we've compiled a selection of our ultimate spa destinations. Join us on a journey around the world. The box is indeed themed around the world. You also have the LUK magazine, which will be a nice read for the weekend. Finally, the box itself, and let's open that up. And that is what is inside this month's box, and something smells very good. Let's just grab that product card so we can see what's what. Right, off we go. First, we have the SVR Topialis Palpebral, I think. Palpebral. Dry Sensitive Eyelid Cream, £15, and this is 15 ml of product. It is full-sized. A full-sized eye cream, you can't go wrong with that. It contains hyaluronic acid and omega-3, 6 and 9. Calm and soothe sensitive and itchy eyes with this gentle treatment for dry and easily irritated skin. With clinically proven effectiveness, this French eye cream delivers 24-hour hydration, immediately relieving any discomfort. Created to soothe, reduce redness and irritation, moisturize the delicate eye area, and protect against external aggressors, this eye cream addresses a wide range of concerns. That is marvelous. My under eye area is very, very dry, and I often have itchy eyelids as well because of allergies. So I'm very, very happy to receive a full-sized eye cream in this month's box. And at £15, this is already, this already costs as much as the box itself at £15. So I really hope it doesn't contain any wheat. It doesn't seem like it. Here's the ingredients list. Nope, I am lucky. It does not contain wheat. I'm allergic to wheat and end up reacting very badly to it. The next is the product that made me buy this box. It is a product that I've used before, which I got in the Harrods Beauty Advent Calendar. It is too expensive to be true, and it's a product that I really, really need because of acne scar revision. And it's a product that I certainly will never buy the full size of. It is unless, I win the lottery or something. This is the Bio Effect EGF Serum. I know that it is just, a 5 ml. Is it 5 ml? No, it's actually a 3 ml sample. So this is actually a plant-derived EGF serum. Normally, I have a prescription epidermal growth factor serum to apply after acne scar revision procedures are done or after derma stamping. But that's, a prescription product, and the EGF there is not plant-derived. This one is actually plant derived, apparently barley derived, I think it is. It is an Icelandic brand, and this is what it says. This sample itself is worth £25, and the full size is £125. So £125 for 15 mils. I'm not going to buy that in a hurry unless I win the lottery, as I said. So I'm very pleased to receive this because, you know, this little sample lasts a very long time, and I only need the barest minimum amount on top of my acne scars right after a scar revision. So it's going to last a long time. The next product is from a brand that I really love. It is the peeling mask from eCooking, and this is 15 mils of product and is worth £11.10. Maintain skin's youthful appearance with this peeling mask from Danish brand eCooking. Utilizing AHAs including lactic, salicylic and glycolic acids, this mask buffs away dead skin to reveal a radiant and glowing complexion. 100% vegan, this mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. I need to check if this has wheat. No, it doesn't have wheat, because the eCooking Acne Serum used to be my holy grail product, and I found out that it had wheat. I didn't know. I ended up applying it without looking at the ingredients, landed in the ER all over again. So I won't be doing that in a hurry this time. There is no wheat indeed, and I'm very happy to see that. Acid mask, always a fan. Will be using it up. I actually have the full size of this already, and it's a fabulous mask. So this is what product card says. Give skin a new lease of life with a serum from groundbreaking Icelandic brand BioEffect, using a plant-based replica of EGF, a naturally occurring human protein. This serum acts as an anti-aging treatment by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while boosting radiance. Quick absorbing, this serum deeply moisturizes and rehydrates. 100% vegan, this mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. Great choice there. Right, next product. We have the Bumble and Bumble. You either get the surf spray or the thickening Go Big treatment. I didn't want the surf spray because I hate, you know, the surf or the beach look, beach waves. I prefer the thickening Go Big spray. Always a fan of more voluminous look. This is 30 mils of product and is worth £2.40. Boost limp hair with thickening Go Big treatment. Improving texture and strength, this conditioning treatment helps create a soft, healthy and voluminized head of hair. So you're supposed to spray this liberally through damp hair and blow dry as usual. So that is something that I will be using. I'm glad it's not a surf spray and it is a thickening treatment. The next product is a full-size soap from Chorus, Greek brand. This is the traditional olive blossom soap. Smells pleasant enough. Not very strong, good. So this soap is again full-sized. How many grams is it? Doesn't say. But it should tell you how much. But yeah, 125 grams and is worth £5. Enjoy a refreshing cleanse with this traditional Greek soap bar inspired by the historic beauty rituals of Cretan women. Formulated with natural ingredients, elevate your daily cleansing routine with this multi-use soap. Confession, I am trying to shift from shower gel to soap bars for washing my body. That is because, you know, shower gels come invariably in plastic packaging and I want to reduce plastic. The sort of paper packaging is a lot better, so I'm moving to soap bars. You know, I think it's hygienic enough if A, you have your separate soap bar and soap dish and, you know, you don't share with anybody else, and B, it's only on the body, and 3, you sort of, you know, wait for it to dry and, you know, allow it to dry and leave the bar in a cool, dry place rather than, you know, in water like that. And as long as, you know, the bar is drained and not, you know, always wet, I don't think there should be a problem. So I'm trying to move because, you know, it's better for the environment. So I'm happy to receive a soap bar, honestly. I know it's not very exciting, but for me right now, I'm in a place where, you know, I want my love of beauty, love of, you know, grooming, love of skincare, not to harm the environment. So that is why I've shifted from shower gel to bar soap. Always welcome right now. And if you want, you can see my tips on how to be more eco-friendly as a beauty product addict. I will also link that in the description box below. So the last product is from Filorga. It is a brand that I really like. They have an amazing eye cream and a fabulous lip balm. This is worth £9.10 and is 7 mils. Formulated with active ingredients to deliver visible effects. Collagen and hyaluronic acid work together to visibly reduce signs of aging. This is the Lift Structure Ultra Lifting Cream. Created by a leading French dermatology clinic, Filoga is focused on creating skincare solutions directly inspired by non-surgical anti-aging procedures. Expect visibly tighter and plumper skin with restored firmness in just 7 days. 7 days, that sounds marvelous. Let's see if we can get some results out of that. So 6 products in there, all skincare or bath and body. No makeup at all, but I'm alright with that. I am a skincare junkie. I love my bath and body products, and although the bar soap isn't very exciting as a rule, I like getting bar soap right now because I am transitioning from shower gels. I will be using up all the shower gels that I have, which could take a while. But after that, may not repurchase shower gels. I stick to bar soap. Incidentally, the leftover bar soap I plan to use as a brush cleanser. So that way, I don't need to buy another brush cleanser, separate brush cleansing product, and again, no plastic container for that either. So I'm happy with that. I'm really happy to get a full-sized eye cream. This promises wonders. I've always loved e-cooking products for acne. A multi-acid mask, I will be trying that out over the weekend, and this is a product that I wanted, Bioeffect EGF Serum. I've gone through the sample that I received in the Harrods Advent Calendar, and it's time for a new one, especially because I have pitted acne scars. Always happy to get this. So those are my thoughts on this month's LookFantastic Beauty Box. I really like the curation this month because everything suits my needs. That said, I would love to see a makeup item or two, to treat yourself and have a bit of fun, to play with some color each month. So I'd like to see a makeup item or two in coming months. Let's see how it goes. I will be looking up spoilers before I decide to buy the July box, obviously, because this month I wanted the box because the products were right up my alley. So I will be seeing spoilers before I decide whether I want the box or not. So stay tuned for that if I decide to buy the July box. And I will link up where to subscribe in the description box below. LookFantastic ships worldwide. As I said, per box is £15. And if you are on a longer term subscription, you pay only, £13 per box. And you always get the LUK magazine along with the box. You also get other perks, such as discounts for their Advent calendar. Stay tuned for news of the Advent calendar. I know we're getting there. That will be most likely in August, September that the news comes out, and the calendar itself will probably launch on September end or on October 1st. So those are my thoughts. If you are a Beauty Box subscriber, do tell me which your favorite boxes. I would love to know. I'm always looking out for different beauty boxes each month. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.